Good day to each and everyone. My topic that I'll discuss is all about applying gradient descent in Python. Applying gradient descent in Python. Applying gradient descent has a step to be followed so that you can understand the process. 1. Obtain our objective function. 2. Initialize randomly a value x from which to start the descent. 3. Define the learning rate that determines how quickly we will converge to the minimum. 4. Get the derivative of that value x. 5. Progress to descend by the learning rate multiplied by the derivative. 6. Update the old value of x with the new value. 7. Inspect your stopping condition. 8. If the conditions is fulfilled, stop. If not, repeat step 4. So in this part we all can see the sample code, and for the step 1, obtain our objective function. In the first report that I've been followed there is an example or function. The function given was x squared minus 4 by 2. So in second step initialize a random value from which to start the descent. In our code, as you can see, the randomly guess number is 5. And for the third step define the learning rate that determines. So in our code the step 3 is the number 2 or the alpha that been set in 0.15. So if you want to know the 0.15 is a number of starting rate, in the next part is total iteration, as you can see is 30. Is a number that will run the algorithm. And next is current iteration. In a number 0 will keep the track of current iteration. Next is precision. The number function of precision is 0.0001 number that determines the stop condition of the stepwise descent. For the height is set for height maximum. So in the step number 4 is get the derivative of that value of x. So in the code the value of x is x squared minus 4 by 2. For the fifth step, progress to descend by the learning rate multiplied by the derivative. Try to look in number 26. The current guess equals previous guess minus alpha times derivative. And next for the number 29, the current iteration equals to current iteration plus 1, or it depends on the current iteration that will be made. So as we all know, if we print all in that made code the current, total iteration, the height, the current and previous guess, it will be this. If you look, the current iteration in that is start to 1 down to 27, and the 30 is for total. And for the current guess starts in 4.1000 down to 2.0002. And for 0.9000 to 0.0001 is the height. Another explanation for 4.1000 for the first iteration that been performed, but it will perform until it reach the local minimum or 2. That how the Python run to get the local point.